this is Jason Blandford with BallistiXPro, and today we are going to be going over how to use this to check the rifling of the barrel of a gun. And as you can see, it is actually long enough to get in there and do some work, basically. Boink! So this is actually going to be a fun little thing. You guys are going to love it, okay? This is when you go to buy a used gun, you want to make sure that the gun that you're buying is going to be worth something. And just so that we're in the clear on YouTube, let's open her up, drop the clip. There's nothing in here. That's just a little spring thing. So my little laser dot dry fire cartridge can stay in there. So dry fire cartridge, and let me see if we can just twink. That's not supposed to happen. Yeah, that's dangerous. Don't ever aim that at your eye. That was supposed to go over my shoulder, but still suffering a little bit from brain surgery, so bear with me. Everything went good, so what is it, the 27th I go back on August, and we'll see what the prognosis is. But until then, I'm just going to keep kicking butt, doing some nice videos for everybody. And here is everything, and nothing in the barrel. Make sure that's, and nothing in there, nothing in the magazine. So love it. Sounds great. So, okay. When you connect this thing, it's like to your cell phone. It's got like a little light on it, and there's a little app, and you're supposed to like shove it in your ear and see if you've got earwax in your ear. Kind of like, yuck, what is that? That's hairy in there, isn't it? Yuck, dude. Okay. I just had brain surgery. What do you expect? But anyways, I wouldn't recommend putting this in your ear. That's just me. That's on you if you do it, but I'm not telling you to do it, because you can actually damage your eardrums by pushing things in there too far. You're really not supposed to put things in your ears. Okay, so I'm going to do this right now. Let's drop this camera a little bit so we can see what's going on. Okay. And we're going to go, and let's put this little phone here so you can see it as well while I'm doing it, but I'll put a closer up picture on there so you can see it better. But when you go in here, you can then like literally get a really nice look at the rifling inside of here. And the gun probably hasn't been cleaned in a while, but I mean, I take good care of it, as you can see. So yeah, it's like literally no damage in here. I mean, it's smooth as can be. Maybe a little dust. There we go. Yeah, it's just spit in there too. Why don't I? Let me see if I can dry it out for you and get a little bit better of a look. If you want to clean your gun, you should take it apart. You should pull this out, and you should always clean the barrel in the same direction that the bullets go through. So you should actually do it this way, and that way you won't have any damage to your barrel. But I'm always doing that, and usually, so now let's just do it this way. Let's take a look inside here, since we got it a little bit cleaner. Let's see what we got. It looks pretty good. There's no deep scratches. You have just, your nice little rifling in there, and that's that. Let's see if I can, let's see if I put my finger against it. It shows up a little bit better, maybe. Kind of. But all in all, it's a really good way to check and to examine the rifling of any gun that you're getting ready to purchase. So if you're going to purchase a used gun, you might actually just want to check and see, hey, is this gun going to last? How long is it going to last? Because if it's got bad rifling, it's probably not going to be very accurate. It's probably going to go bad. You'll probably end up having to buy a new barrel for it. It's probably not going to make you very happy. But if you want to check without having to spend a lot of money, that's a good way to do it. And those are only $20. I think this is like $20 on Amazon. At least the last time I checked it was. I'll turn it off now. It's good. Hopefully you guys find this video informative, and hope you have a great day. This has been Jason from BallistiXPro. Please subscribe to my channel. It'll help me out tremendously. Doing a little bit with the brain surgery. We got some financial issues to take care of, so anything that you can do to help would be appreciated. I don't mean monetarily. I just mean, watch some videos, invite some friends to the site, get them to subscribe, whatever you can do. It's much appreciated. It'll definitely help us out. We're not monetized yet, but I don't know, give it about a month or two and maybe we'll be there. And, that would just be a tremendous break for us to be able to have a little bit extra money. And so I would appreciate it. And if there's anything that you want to see, any videos that you would like to see, just, leave, a comment below, and I will create a video just for you. Okay? Thank you again. This has been Jason from BallistiXPro. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.